Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. These are some figures I've had for a while and I've pre-primed them, ready to go. And over the past few weeks in between other builds, I've taken this man and woman figure and painted them up. The woman I've done as a redhead, and the man figure I've done to represent my father who ran an Esso station. Here's the process of painting them. Both of these figures were hand painted using craft acrylics. To the best of my memory, this is what my father's uniform looked like when he was working with the Esso station. I went online and found an embroidered patch, and I shrunk it down and printed it off just on ordinary paper and glued it to his shirt. Hi everybody, welcome back. I just want to do a quick stash update. Over the last few weeks I picked up some model kits. I picked up two of these Revell 68 Corvette Roadsters. I wanted to do one stock and probably one custom on a good deal, so I found those. A couple of other kits I got also was the AMT police van. I've been wanting to get that mainly because there's extra parts in it. You can build it as a police car, an ambulance, fire truck, I guess, as well, fire chief type van. Comes with lots of different emergency lights, which I'm planning to use for other builds. I also got this one, AMT, the Coca-Cola truck, because it includes the Coke machine, the Coke vending machine. I was looking for that as well. You can sort of see it back there in the background. I'm looking for that for my diorama, plus I'm hoping to build some of these vans and do them up. And I had a birthday a few weeks ago. A friend of mine gave me this one. It's an Aoshima 77 Celica 2000 GT. I actually had a 77 Celica like this back in the day. So I'll be painting it to look like the one I had. I guess it was a black interior with a blue paint job. So I was happy to find that and get that. It was ordered through HobbyLink Japan by a friend of mine, and that was a gift for my birthday. So stay tuned for some of these builds coming up in the near future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.